Here we are with a beautiful emerald. We've brought back a little bit of concentrates in a bucket and run it through the sluice. And let's see what sort of gold we can get coming out of it. Alright, so far we're not seeing bugger all. There's a little bit just in there if you could have seen it before the dirt comes off. That must feel lucky. Oh, you can see a couple of little bits and pieces in there, a bit of flour gold. Turns out I don't think it was as good as we'd hoped.
Really?
But you never know. You never know. You can see flour gold jumping around in there everywhere.
I'm going to get my water in here.
Well, we're going to have to pan it all and hope for the best, see what outcome we get. We're using the easy sluice.
How much?
There's plenty of flour gold. I suppose on until we know once we pan it, so might be a different video.